Hey everyone, here's a simple and delicious way to satisfy your sweet cravings. The secret lies in using frozen bananas. Bananas take on a different flavour when frozen. Start by taking some ripe bananas, peeling them and covering them tightly with cling wrap. And then place them in the freezer until they're really firm, which usually takes at least 4 hours or overnight. And once the bananas are completely frozen, slice them into bite-sized pieces. A bread knife works really great for this. Then divide the banana slices into individual bowls. And then make a cinnamon sugar by thoroughly mixing about 3 tablespoons of white sugar with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And sprinkle this mixture over the frozen bananas. Pour some thickened cream over the bananas, or you can whip it if you like and spoon it on top instead. And then to add a touch of chocolatey goodness, sprinkle grated chocolate over the top, or I like using sometimes crushed pieces of my favourite chocolate bars, and then serve it once. Frozen bananas, cream, cinnamon and chocolate, a winning combination that requires hardly any effort. Enjoy every bite, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.